hope you guys went to the room tour. Welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, it's your guest Steve, and welcome back to another video. When you come inside the door, like you saw me, because the first thing that greets you is this beautiful vision board, which I've explained why I have this amazing vision board, and it's also a very important part of my room and my life. And you need to watch this video to get the whole backstory. Also have an air freshener here. This air freshener smells so good. Another important thing you see is my bed. I love how small the bed is. It's not like all this type of bed that is so big that it covers the whole room. It just gives like the student vibes, you know. I have this artistic display on the wall. The down part is my pictures. So these are all the pictures on display. This is one of my favorite, the one I took in Rwanda. This is me. I took this picture myself. You might not really know. And like these are some of my favorite pictures of myself. That is a baby picture of me. That is a Marachi right there. And then we have this display of expression. We also have this wall. This stuff is like a glowing, glow in the dark thingy. You might not really see because there's light, but at night it really glows. This is the desk. This is supposed to be a reading desk, but I promise you, no reading has ever been done on these desks before. If you watch my videos, you will always see me here. This is basically where I dress up, look at myself, and just like kiss myself. This picture here too, because it just makes me so happy. But it's kind of like a frame, but it's not a frame. That's like aestheticity.
Okay, let me show you the content of my deck. So this is a carton I store my snacks, because why not? I love having snacks. I'm always buying and restocking it all the time. Like I just love to chew, make that snack. Here's a display of my fragrances, because I love to smell good and yummy. I also use this cup to store my lipstick, pencils.
Now we've seen the decks. Now this is another part of the room. This is where I keep my laundry. So I finished using this carton, but instead of me to dispose the carton, I'd rather just use it and put my laundry until I'm ready to wash it. And next up is the closet. I'm sorry, I'm not my sister Amarachi. The closet is organized, okay? Don't bite me. It's not organized. I'm a very messy person. So whatever I do is when I want to find something to wear, it's just so hard to find what to wear. Even though I have lots of clothes, but I just pick whatever I want. I don't tell me to organize it, because anytime I organize it, when I'm getting ready again, I scatter it back. So it's pointless fixing it. But this is where my shoe stays. This is where I keep my accessories like glasses, anything hair, I keep it here. Just these two stuffs, I keep it there. And then this is where I keep my books, because the books I'm not using anymore, basically. So
I know you guys just be wondering if my room don't have a seat. But I have a seat though, but I never use it to sit down. I use it to keep clothes. I don't know if I'll wear again or if I'll wash it. So I just dump it there, like it's my dumping ground.
Where I keep my handbags. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm a cord addict. Even though when my cords spoil, or I can't get myself to dispose them, so I'd rather just label them here in case a miracle happens one day and they start working again. And this is all the purses I have. I just try as much as possible to keep my room as organized as possible. And then we circle back to the door. That's in the room tour, and this is the view. You guys always see me making videos this way, because if the window is here, I like when I'm using natural lighting, I like the light facing me and hitting on my face. This is usually where I like to do my dance, because there's more space in this area. That's why when I'm doing my dance video, I do my dance videos here, because if you're dancing, you need a lot of space. Or I do it this side of the house, Well, usually you guys see me this side of the house, and if you're wondering what this door and this door is, this is basically the kitchen and this is the bathroom. But I'm not going to show you guys the kitchen right now because it's kind of like a mess. I haven't still unpacked my stuffs. Yeah, I'm not going to show you guys the kitchen. But make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notification, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Now let's cue into a cute montage.